Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable use Windows Hello when filling passwords in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. If you share your Windows 11 device with others, you can turn on Windows Hello to verify it's you whenever you use a saved passwords. To enable or disable this one feature, first open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one Arc icon that says settings. In the drop down menu, click on this one settings option. Now click on this one default under profiles section. Here beside advanced search settings, click on this one arrow button. Now select autofill and passwords. Now click on this one password manager. Now click on this one select a CSV file option. Just cancel this one pop-up window. After that, here you will find this one option, use Windows Hello when filling passwords. Just turn on this one toggle switch to enable this one feature. Now click on this one more choices. Here you can use face, fingerprint, PIN or Microsoft account to verify. Just authenticate it. And this one toggle switch will be enabled. That means you can use Windows Hello while filling passwords. And to turn off, just turn off this one toggle switch, and again you need to authenticate. Just authenticate using any method. That's all about this video. Bye.